Yeah, let's start how to connect the Excel with SQL Server. So click on the data and there is a get data and from database from SQL Server database. You have to establish the connection first. So provide the server name and then database is the optional and if I say okay, then you will get the complete list of databases at here and there are some objects at here, miss function, stored procedure, view, table. But I want the select query I have to execute. So what I will do from database SQL Server and there is a my comp and after that advanced option and then I will write a query. So what I will do, my query is ready at here, means it is just giving us the visit date, department number and visit ID. I will make a aggregation in Excel, correct? And yeah, uh, let's say uh, I have to give the HIMS as the database name. Otherwise, it will check how on which database I have to execute that. So we are getting the 10K records in this, correct? So what I will do, I will insert the chart at here and simple chart as a bar chart and or one more thing you can do at here, there is a load to pivot chart, means whatever that data is here, so this is as a considered as a source and there is a visit ID, it is summation, but what we have to do, we have to do the count because 10K records, right? So you have to select the count of visit ID 10K records, so, correct? And then department wise, so here what you have to do, you have to just drag and drop field at here, then you will get the this information, means for which department how much patients are visited, correct? And you can uh, make change the colors as per your choice and one more thing, there is a I am selecting this chart again and the visit date, correct? So visit date also there is a different aggregations, means like the month, quarter, year. So what I will do, I will remove the visit date and then months, then quarter, right click on it and remove field. So year wise you will get the data, correct? And you can switch it like this as well, means year wise and then department wise you can apply the filter as well, or year wise you will see the data, means different way, like year at here and there is a department wise, means in the department wise and you will see the add data labels. So I will show you, there is a add data labels and you will get the uh, means you can identify which having the data, means how much is the patient count for that particular department. I hope you can easily learn that and you will get the detail analysis on it and there is a filter as well you can add and yeah, you will get the data easily so that you can analyze. It is used for data scientist purpose, means they can easily use it, or data analyst, and you can analysis, means n number of records at here, or there is another way, means in SQL here, because right now aggregation are done in Excel, but you can do the aggregation in SQL as well. And from performance point of view, it is better to have a heavy query execute in SQL rather than the Power BI, Excel, Tableau, because miss give the load on the SQL engine instead of the reporting tool, and just give the reporting for means there is a minimal load, means just formatting and all these things, and most of the load is from the SQL point of view. So that means that report will be more faster. I hope you got this complete knowledge. Thanks.